Imagine a situation where a tragic loss occurs due to someone else's negligence or intentional act. You might assume the legal path forward is universally defined, but when it comes to something as serious as a wrongful death claim, the rules can be surprisingly different. Yes, wrongful death definitions are indeed unique to each state across the United States. There is no single federal wrongful death statute that applies uniformly nationwide, meaning the specific criteria for pursuing such a claim can vary significantly depending on where the incident occurred. This state-by-state variation stems from the foundational principle that wrongful death actions are created by state statutes, not common law. Historically, under common law, a civil claim died with the person. State legislatures stepped in to create these statutes, often called survival statutes or wrongful death acts, to allow certain beneficiaries to recover damages. Each state government crafted its own law, reflecting its distinct legal traditions, public policy considerations, and judicial interpretations over time. Therefore, navigating a wrongful death claim effectively requires understanding the specific laws of the state where the incident took place. It is crucial to determine if the death meets that state's definition of wrongful death, which typically involves an action or inaction that would have led to a personal injury claim had the deceased survived. You would also need to identify who is legally permitted to file the claim and for what types of damages. For example, key elements that commonly differ by state include who can bring a claim, such as immediate family members or a personal representative of the deceased estate. The types of damages recoverable also vary, potentially including medical and funeral expenses, lost financial support, and even compensation for pain and suffering or loss of companionship. Furthermore, the statute of limitations, which is the time limit for filing a lawsuit, can range significantly from state to state. Ultimately, the specific details of a wrongful death claim are deeply rooted in state law, making a one-size-fits-all approach impossible. Understanding these unique definitions and requirements is essential for anyone seeking justice and compensation after such a profound loss, ensuring that your actions align with the legal framework of your specific jurisdiction.